everyone. This is Shantan Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Dundigal. Today topic is rank of a matrix by normal form of a matrix. We need to understand what is a normal form of a matrix, and with the help of the normal form of a matrix, then how to find the rank of the matrix. Now we are going to discuss regarding this one. Actually, the normal form of a matrix is also known as a canonical form of a matrix. In this matrix, that means in this, the normal form of a matrix, what we know that previously, that is elementary row operations and elementary column operations. By using the elementary row and column operations, we need to reduce it to one of the standard formula. That is a method is known as a normal form of a matrix. The standard form of is nothing but the final matrix is satisfied in the form of unit type of a matrix. That unit type of a matrix is satisfied some of the following conditions. One is either the matrix is in the form of IR, otherwise IR 0 0, IR 0, IR 0 0 0. These are the four different type of the normal standard type of forms. Here IR is nothing but the unit matrix of order R. If it is I2, that is rank of a matrix is 2. If it is R is equal to 3, that is rank of a matrix is 3. For example, R is equal to 4, that is rank of a matrix is 4. Finally, the given matrix is reduced to any one of these standard form. One of the standard form is unit matrix of order R, otherwise IR0, IR0 0, IR0 0 0. That means by every m by n matrix can be reduced to in the form of these are the one of the method. Finally, this type of the matrix is said to be the normal form of a matrix, or it is called as a canonical form of a matrix. For example, now we are going to discuss one of the matrix. That is, if A is equal to first row is 1, 2, 3, 4, second row 2, 1, 4, 3, third row 3, 0, 5, minus 2. Reduce it to normal form and find the rank of the matrix. For example, when we are observing in this given matrix, first row, first element is 1, second row, first element is 2, third row, first element is 3. By using with the help of the first row, first column, first element, now we need to change it to 2 is equal to 0, 3 is equal to 0. By using the row operations, that is elementary row operations, that is on R2, by applying R2 minus 2R1, that second row is reduced to 0, minus 3, minus 2, 5. And third row, by applying with the help of R3 minus 3R1, the row is changed to 0, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2. This R2 and R3 is with the help of, that is R1. And finally, here by observing here, first row it is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Second row 0, minus 3, minus 2, 5. Third row 0, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2. When we are observing in this matrices, here R3 is clearly, that is a row values are 0, minus 6, minus 4, minus 22. When we are going to divide, that R3 is divided by 2 or minus 2, then the matrix is reduced to 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, 0, 3, 11 is a value. Why? Because this particular R3 is divided by with minus 2. Then it is minus 6 is divided by minus 2, the value is 3. Minus 4 by divided by minus 2 is the value is 2. Minus 22 is divided by minus 2 is the value is 11. And again finally, again when we are observing here, the second row and third row in this matrix, the second row first element is minus 3. The third row is first element is 3. By observing in this equation, in this matrices, by applying R3 is equal to R3 plus R2, then the third row is changed to, that is 0, minus 3 is changed to 0, 2 is changed to 0, but finally the fourth last element is changed to 6. And again, it is actually in the form of echelon form. It is clearly satisfied. And but in this method, we are going to discuss that is a normal form. The normal form is nothing but here continuation of the echelon form. Otherwise, it is a matrix is reduced to unit type of a matrix. That in our mind, the normal form is nothing but all the elements are either zeros or one. It is required to satisfy. And here, when we are observing in this equation, it is the first row, the first column, the first element is 1, and before the value it is 0, and the last row is a 0. But in this last element, it is a 6 only. And again, here, when we are going to discuss, it is a columns, it is a first column, it is a required, actually it is 1. And again, in this equation, C2 plus 2C1, the value is equal to 0. And C3 minus 3C1 is equal to 0. C4 minus 4C1 is equal to 0. That is with the help of that previous problem, that is 1 is equal to 1 value. Next one, it is again, now we are going to change that is C0 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 6. By observing here, C3 is equal to 3C3 minus 2C2, and C4 is equal to C4, 3C4 minus 5C2. By using these operations, this matrix is changed to first column is there is no change, 1, 0, 0. The second column, it is also no change. Why? Because we are not applying any on the C2 column. Therefore, 0, minus 3, 0. But here the C3, we are modified, that is operations, that is C3 is equal to 3C3 minus 2C2. By applying this operation, this minus 2 is changed to something, it is a 0. And similarly, the C4 operation also, by applying, that is a 3C4 minus 5C2, according to this one, the value minus 5 is equal to 0, and 6 value is changed to 18 only. Next, here, in our mind, the normal form is nothing but entirely all the values we need to require zeros or ones only. But here, in this matrices, it is a minus 3, it is 18 is given, therefore, it is once again we need to divide, that is a C2 is equal to C2 by minus 3. By doing this operation, this minus 3 is changed to some 1, and again that 18 is also divided by with C4 divided by 18. By doing this operation also, that 18 is changed to some 1 only, and again here the matrix is finally 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. This is after applying interchanging C4 and also C3. And when we are observing this is the matrix, first 3 by 3, it is nothing but clearly satisfied I3. Why? Because that is a unit matrix of order 3. And again the last column is nothing but consider it is a 0 only. Therefore, it is a one of the normal form of a matrix. And again here where IR is nothing but it is R is satisfied clearly 3 value. Therefore, it is R is equal to 3. Therefore, the rank of a matrix is clearly, we can say that rank of a matrix is equal to 3 only. Therefore, this is the regarding the normal form of a matrix. And coming to point that when example, if it is a matrix is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 5, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5 is a matrix. And here also we need to reduce it to normal form. Therefore, in our mind, similarly, all the elements are, we need to change it to either 0 or 1 only. And again, when we are observing here also, the first row, first column, it is a 1. And again, based upon this 1, that is by using this 1, here, when we are applying on this R2, that is R2, the 2 value, we need to change it to 0. And again, similarly, that R3 row, it is a element is a 1 value. Therefore, we need to change it to 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, by the operation of R2 is equal to R2 minus 2R1, and similarly R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. By doing these two operations, the matrix is changed to the first row is not changing, that is 1, 2, 3, 2. The second row is changing the values. 0, minus 1, 3, and third row is also changed to 0, 1, 1, 3. With the help of the rows are operations, R2 is equal to R2 minus 2 R1, R3 is equal to R3 minus R1 is the condition. And once again, when we are observing here that R3, the row is that is 1, and again R1, the row is equal to that is a 1 value. Therefore, with the help of this is R3 is equal to R3 plus 2 R2 and R1 is equal to R1 plus 2 R3, then automatically the values are changed to something. Here 2 is equal to 0, and again here minus 1 is also 0. By doing these two operations, here R3 row is changed, and again R1 R3 row is also changed. And again the rest of the R2 we are not going to changing any condition. Okay, actually these are the not compulsory these same operations. The different operations are also, while we are applying the different row and column operations, we are changing to normal form of a matrix only. And again next one, similarly C3 is equal to C3 minus C1 and C4 is equal to 4C4 plus 4C1. By doing these are the two column operations, the matrix is also changed to 1 0 0, 0 minus 1 1 0, 0 minus 1 0, 0 minus 3 0. And similarly, it is also clearly not at all, it is a normal form of a matrix. Why? Because in this matrix also all the values are not 0 and 1. Again, we need to modify, it is a minus 1 is equal to 1 and minus 1 is equal to 1 and minus 3 is equal to 1. Either we change it to like one value, otherwise the values are changed to 0. That depend upon by applying the operations. For example, I am going to applying that is a C2, that is a C2 minus C3. Therefore, that C2 with the help of the C3, by doing this operation, this value is changed to something 0. And similarly, on C4 also, by applying the C4 minus 3C1, that is a 3C3, this minus 3 is also changed to 0. But we are not changing any the operations, that is a C1 on C2 also. Therefore, that we are changing to like C2 and also C4. Therefore, the matrix is changed to 1 0 0, 0 0 0, 0 minus 1 0, 0 0 0 only. And again, it is also not at all, that is a normal form of a standard formula. And again here also we need to change it like minus 1 is equal to 1, otherwise it is a 0. But it is 0 is not possible. Therefore, this on this C1, C3 we are doing by with divided by with minus 1. Therefore, this column operation is also, that is a minus 1 is changed to 1 only. And again here when we are observing, this is also the final reduce the matrix is a first column is a 1 0 0, second column is 0 0 0, the third column is a 0 1 0, fourth column is a 0 0 0. Actually, this is also not a standard formula of the normal form. And on this matrices, once again we are going to interchanging C2 and C3. The matrix is reduced to 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 0 and 0 0 0. While we are observing in this matrices, it is clearly satisfied, that is a first row and second row it is I2, and again the last third column and fourth column is a 0 2, and again that R3 it is a 0, and again R3 last value is also 0. Therefore, it is clearly in the form of, that is IR, that is 0 and 0 0. And while we are observing this one, it is clearly satisfied the normal form of a matrix, where here R is equal to clearly satisfied the 2 value. Therefore, the rank of a matrix says it is a 2 only. Next example, the matrix, it is show that 3 4 minus 5 1 1 0 1 1 5 is a row equivalence to I3. That means the matrix is reduced to normal form in the form of I3. That means the matrix is we need to find out the rank of a matrix is equal to, that is a 3 only. Therefore, on this matrices, it is A is equal to, that is a 3 4 minus 5 and 1 1 0 1 1 5 only. On this matrices, when we are interchanging like R1 and also R2, therefore that R3, that is no change, that is R3 is equal to same the values 1 1 5, but we are applying only the interchange R1 and also R2. Therefore, that first row is changed to like 1 1 0 the second row is changed to 3, 4, minus 5. And again, on this equation, our concept is reduced to normal form of a matrix. That is a normal form of a matrix. That means indirectly the elements we need to change it to 0 or 1s only. Therefore, according to in this matrices, here first row, first column it is already existed 1, but here we need to change the second row, first element is 3 is equal to 0, and again that the third row, the first element is equal to 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, by using the condition of R2 is equal to, that is R2 minus 3 R1, and again R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. With the help of these two conditions, here the matrix is reduced to 1 1 0 0 1 minus 5 0 0 5 is a value. Again, when we are applying like R1 minus R2, the matrix is changed to, that is a 0. Here in place of it is equal to R1, it is equal to first row is a 1 1 0, second row is a 0 1 minus 5, and again the third row is a 0 0 minus 5 only. By applying R1 is equal to, that is R1 minus R2, then automatically that one value is as it is 1 minus 0 is 1, that 1 minus 1 it is changed to 0, and 0 minus of minus 5 is nothing but that is a 5 only. The second row and third row is we are not going to changing any conditions. Therefore, the same value is 0 1 minus 5 0 0 5 is a value. And again here when we are dividing like R3 divided by 1 by 5 into R3, therefore the equation is the matrix is changed to 1 0 5 0 1 minus 5 0 0 5 is changed to, according to by using these are the two operations, it is a R1 times to R1 minus 5 R3 and R2 times to R2 plus 5 R3, that entirely the matrix is changed to 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. This is nothing but it is in the form of the unit type of a matrix, that is order is 3. Therefore, our conclusion, the matrix is I3 is nothing but that is unit matrix of order 3. Therefore, it is in the form of that is called as a R. Therefore, IR is nothing but R is the rank of the matrix, but here R is equal to satisfied clearly 3. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is equal to 3 is a matrix. For example, you see this is the example, that is reduce a matrix 0 3 minus 3 2 minus 4 8 minus 1 3 minus 3 is reduced to, that is a I3. Similarly, this is also the matrix is based upon the previously. We are going to change it to reduce it to normal form by using the row operations. Finally, the matrix is the rank we need to find out, that is a 3 only. Therefore, according to in this matrices by applying interchanging R1 and also R2, therefore by applying this the condition that R1 is nothing but 2, therefore that is equal to interchange 2 minus 4 0 and 0 3 minus 3, and again R3 we are not applying any condition, therefore R3 is same the row minus 1 3 minus 3 is the value. And again next one, when we are applying R1 divided by 2, the values are after dividing like the 2 is changed to 1, minus 4 is changed to minus 2, 8 is changed to 4 only. And second row and third row same as it is, no changes, that is a 0 3 minus 3 minus 1 3 minus 3 is the value. And again while we are observing here, it is clearly with the help of that R1, that R3 value is a minus 1, therefore by applying that R3 plus R1, therefore that minus will be changes to 0 and 3 changes to 1, and again minus 3 changes to 1 only. Therefore, this matrix is a 1 minus 2 4 0 3 minus 3 0 1 1. It is by applying condition of R3 plus R1. And again once again when we are observing this matrices, that R3 R2 row is involving 0 3 minus 3. Therefore, here 3 is the common value. Therefore, when we are dividing like divided by 3, that second row is changed to 1 0 1 minus 1, the third row is 0 1 1 only. And again once again when we are applying like R1 times to R1 plus 2 R2, that entirely this first row is changed to 1 0 2, that is with the help of R1 plus 2 R2. And again R3, on this R3 by doing that R3 minus R2, therefore the values are changed to 0 0 1 only. And again according to this one, that is R3 divided by that is a 2 only, therefore the 2 is a common, therefore 0 0 1 only. And again finally according to this the matrix is changed to by doing the operations of R1 times to R1 minus 2R3 and again R2 times to R2 plus R3, the matrix is changed to clearly that is in the form of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That means it is clearly satisfied, that is I3. Therefore, it is one of the form of the that unit matrix of order R. Therefore, the rank of the matrix it is also clearly that is equal to R is equal to 3. Therefore, the rank of a matrix is equal to that is a 3 matrix. Next one, it is a matrix is reduced to normal form and also find the rank of a matrix. It is also the given matrix is 3 by 4. Here the elements are clearly 1 0 2 1, 2 1 3 2, 1 3 1 3. And again here also according to that by applying that first row, first column, first element it is already existed 1. With the help of this one, now we want to change it to something 2 is equal to 0 and 1 is equal to 0 with the help of the given first row, first column, first element. By doing the operations of R2 minus 2R1 and R3 minus 2R1, the values are changed to here 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 3, minus 1, 2. And again similarly, next I am going to do that by applying on the column operations, that is a C3 times to C3 minus 2C1 and C4 times to C4 minus C1. Why? Because we need that it is before the first element it is already existed 0, but second right side it is required that 0 only. Due to that reason, by applying the C2 minus 2C1 and C3 minus C1, therefore automatically the column is no changes 1 0 0. The second row is second column is also no change, that is a 0 1 0, and again the third column is also that is changes, that is by applying the C3 minus 2C1 it is a 0 minus 1 minus 1, and fourth column is also changed to 0 0 0 2 is a value. And again next coming to by applying the R3 times to R3 minus 3R2, therefore it is a first row and second row there is no changes, but only we are modified that is R3 by doing that R3 minus 3R2. Therefore, the third row is a 0, 0, 2 and also 2. And again, finally, we are going to divide that R3 divided by R2. Therefore, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0. The third row only changed, that is 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1 only condition. And finally, while we are observing here, that is a C3 and C4, by addition of this C3 plus C4, the values are that is 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. The finally the column values is C4 column is not changing 0 0 1 only. And finally once again when we are observing this one, it is last columns both are the same values. Therefore we need to change it by applying like C4 minus C4. Then entirely the last row, the last column, the last element, it is changed to 0 only. Therefore, it is finally the matrix is clearly by observing in this matrices, it is clearly in the form of I3 and also 0. Therefore, this is also one of the normal form of a matrix where it is nothing but it is a normal form standard is a IR0 is the matrix. Therefore, comparison with the help of this is the normal form standard formula. It is R is equal to 3. Therefore, the rank of a matrix is equal to 3 is the matrix. Next, similarly, according to this is also matrix. It is A is equal to 5 3 8 0 1 1 1 minus 1. That is reduced to normal form by doing the elementary operations. The elementary operations are nothing but here also by using the row operations including the column operations. According to, for example, in this matrices here first third row and again that first column last element it is a 1 given. Therefore, immediately first of all by applying the interchange R1 and also R3, the matrix is changed to 1 minus 1 1 0 1 1 5 3 8. And next one here now we want to change it like 5 2 that is a 0 by with the help of the R1 row. Therefore, by doing that R3 is equal to R3 minus 5 R1. Therefore, the matrix is changed to 1 minus 1 0 0 1 1 0 8 8. Therefore, Again, while we are going to do that, according to R1 times to R1 plus R2, and again R3 times to R3 minus 8 R2, the matrix is changed to like 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 is the value. Next, once again that conclusion of here, it is a first column is 1 0 0, second column is 0 1 0. While we are observing it here, that is a last column, that is a 1 1 0 only. Now we want to change it like that. Last column, the first element is equal to 1 to 0, that is with the help of the C1 column. Therefore, by doing that, C3 is equal to C3 minus C2. Therefore, the matrix is changed like that 1 0 0 0 1 1 and 0 1 0 also. And next, once again, while we are observing here, the last column, that is the second column, both the columns are same. According to by doing that, C3 minus C2, then automatically that is by applying the C3 minus C2, therefore C3 minus C2, the matrix is changed like that 0 0 0. That means here by again applying the condition of C3 is equal to C3 minus C2. Therefore, the matrix is changed like 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 value. Therefore, this is the matrix is clearly satisfied in the form of that is I2 0 0 0. Therefore, it is also one of the standard form of the normal form. Therefore, it is clearly suitable for IR 0 0 0. Therefore, we are comparison here IR is equal to that is I2. Therefore, that R is equal to 2. Therefore, the rank of a matrix is equal to clearly that is a 2. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.